just right in the middle of this little canyon here. You're on the backside of an ice waterfall. Is that cool? See if I can do this without biting it. Hold on, Nate. Don't slip. I think that's fine, Nate. I don't think we need to worry about icicles falling on us anymore. I'm going to build the shelter out of a 12-foot by 12-foot tarp and a couple of these poles, and I think it's going to be one of the best ones I've ever made. Do you want spaghetti or cup of noodle? All right, cup of noodle it is. All right. Nathan, are ramen noodles your favorite camping food?
Yeah.
Oh, some warm food feels good.